stators. We're about 3 weeks away now, I believe. I've got an opportunity to pick up a bunch of these vices at a very reasonable rate. They're 4-inch jaws. They're new old stock is what they are. They might have some rust on them, but this is coated with grease, and the screw's got grease on it. It's what, 9 3/8 inches tall, and it opens up pretty wide. But I'll flip it over while I got it right here. You can see Japan. It was made in Japan. There you can see the base is kind of rusty, but it's got some paper on it. But what sold me on them, let's make sure we're still in the shot here. It's a little stiff because of that old grease. But you open that up, and there's no play in that jaw. It's solid as a rock. Let's open it up real wide here and take a look at that screw and see what it looks like in there and how wide it can open. Okay, let's just say when the back of this is flush, that's about all the wider you'd want to open it, and that's 6 1/4 inches. I don't know if you can see in there, but there's nothing wrong with that screw. Let's zoom in. Yeah, it's got grease on it. It says number 140, and there's this star with the N in it. I don't know what that means, but it says Japan on the bottom, and the box they come in says Japan. But it's a nice big machinist vise. It's not a vise to hammer on like a blacksmithing post vise, but if you're in the market for a good machinist bench vise, there's not even a place on the back here like a lot of them have to, let me widen out here. There's not even a flat place back here. You know, some vices have a big flat place back here you can hammer on. This doesn't have that. But it's number 140. There's the star. Japan. I couldn't find any information online on them. I could get them, and my selling point would be 50 bucks. If I buy a large quantity, I might be able to get them even a little cheaper. But I haven't talked to the guy yet about that. You think these would sell for $50 a piece? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks.